This is Chloe, my model. She has a wavy type 2 hair, so I'm going to take her down to the backwash and start using the products on her. So Chloe's had her hair shampooed and conditioned, and I've left the lightweight leave-in shine conditioner in. I'm going to use a styling jelly, so we don't want anything that's too heavy and too strong. Let's just use it in small amounts rather than just a huge amount at once. So just a little amount. Always, 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 with any product, no matter what it is, distribute it through your hands first. Don't just clump it into the hair. Okay, so Chloe's hair is dry now, and really do not touch the curl. I know it's really tempting to, when you're drying hair, to lift it up and start messing around with it, but if you start messing with the curl, there is no curl when you come to the end of it. It's just a ball of fuzz. So dry the hair without touching the curl. Once the hair is dry, you can then go in and really fluff it up and get lots of volume through there. Give it a really good zhuzhing up at the roots. But look what I'm doing. Everything I'm doing is from underneath. We've got definition, tons of shine, as you can see. We've also got some volume. So by doing this, you're just giving your hair that personality back.